And during that year, I lost 20 pounds, and I've been able to keep it off for over 20 years. Whoops, and there went the rock. Okay, let's try again. Take 500,000. Hi. Okay. Nothing like a good laugh.
Yeah.
Okie dokie.
Oh,
Here we go
man.
again.
Okay. We're going to smile for a moment. We're going to have this wonderful look.
And we're just going to go right through
Yeah.
it.
All
Okay.
right.
Is my eyes tearing?
No.
Okay, they feel it. Hi, I'm Pat Thatcher.
And all I wanted to say was I lied.
The tears are showing.